You're 30 years old, maybe 32, maybe 28. Doesn't matter. You open your banking app. Checking account? $3,000. Savings account? Pretty much empty. Super balance? Maybe 40 grand if you're lucky. You scroll through Instagram and see someone your age posting photos from a European holiday. Another mate just bought a house. Someone else is talking about their investment portfolio. And you're sitting there thinking, how did I get so far behind? Where did the money go? And more importantly, is it too late to catch up? Here's the truth nobody's telling you. You're not alone. The average Australian in their early 30s has around $75,000 in super and maybe 10 to 20 grand in savings outside of that. If you've got less, you're behind the average. But the average is also behind where they need to be to retire comfortably. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what to do if you're 30 with nothing saved. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan, real numbers, and the Stoic mindset to actually execute it. Let's go. First, let's get real about how you got here, because understanding the problem is half the solution. You graduated university or finished your trade in your early 20s. You had HECS debt, maybe $15,000 to $30,000. You got your first proper job earning 50 to 60 grand a year. Felt like good money at the time. But then rent hit you. $400 a week, sometimes more. That's $20,000 a year just on housing. Then there was a car, insurance, groceries, going out with mates, a holiday here and there. Before you knew it, every dollar was spoken for. Meanwhile, your super was growing, but you weren't paying attention. The default contribution was sitting there, maybe earning 6 or 7% a year, but you never checked. You never switched to a high growth option. You definitely didn't salary sacrifice. And here's the kicker. Somewhere in your late 20s, lifestyle creep kicked in. You started earning more. Maybe you hit 70, 80, 90 grand a year. But instead of saving the difference, you upgraded. Nicer apartment, better car, more holidays, Uber Eats 3 times a week. Every pay rise disappeared into a bigger lifestyle. And now you're 30 with barely anything to show for it. Sound familiar? This is the story of millions of Australians. And here's what nobody tells you. It's not too late, but it is urgent, because every year you wait costs you exponentially more down the track. Let me show you what I mean. The power of compound interest is brutal when you start late. If you start investing at 25 and put away $500 a month into a low-cost ETF earning an average of 9% a year, by the time you're 60, you'll have around $1.2 million. If you start at 30 with the same $500 a month and the same 9% return, you'll have around $850,000 by 60. That's $350,000 less just because you waited 5 years. But here's the good news. 850 grand is still enough to retire comfortably in Australia when combined with your super and the age pension. You didn't miss the boat. You just need to get on it. Now, so what does that actually look like? Here's the plan. Step 1. Fix your super immediately. Right now, you probably have around $40,000 to $70,000 sitting in super if you've been working since your early 20s. That's actually a decent starting point. Log into your super account tonight. Check 3 things. 1. What investment option are you in? If it says balanced or default, switch to high growth. You're 30. You have 30 years until retirement. You can handle the volatility. High growth options return an extra 1 to 2% per year on average compared to balanced. Over 30 years, that's a 6-figure difference. 2. What are your fees? If you're paying more than 0.8% in total fees, you're getting ripped off. Switch to a low-fee industry fund like Australian Super, Host Plus, or Rest. Fees matter. A 1% fee difference costs you over $200,000 over career. 3. Are you contributing extra? The Super Guarantee is 12% now. That's good, but it's not enough to retire wealthy. Salary sacrifice an extra 3 to 5% if you can afford it. That takes you to 15 to 17% total. On an $80,000 salary sacrificing 5% costs you around $300 a fortnight after tax savings. But over 30 years, that extra contribution adds around $300,000 to your super balance. Worth it. Step 2. Start building wealth outside super. Because super is locked until 60 and you need accessible money before then. Here's the simplest, most boring, most effective plan. Open a brokerage account. Stake, self-wealth, ComSec, doesn't matter. Pick one. Set up an automatic investment of $300 to $500 per month into 2 ETFs. VAS, which tracks the Australian share market, and VGS, which tracks international shares. 50-50 split. Why these two? Because they give you instant diversification across hundreds of companies in Australia and thousands globally. You're not picking stocks. You're not trying to time the market. You're just buying the entire market and holding forever. If you invest $500 a month for 30 years at 9% average returns, you'll have around $900,000 sitting outside super by age 60. Add that to your super balance and you're looking at over $1.5 million in total wealth. That's enough to retire very comfortably in Australia, even if you never earn a six-figure salary. But here's the catch. You need discipline. Because $500 a month is $6,000 a year. That's money that won't go to holidays, new cars, or fancy dinners. The Stoics call this voluntary discomfort, choosing to live below your means now so you don't have to suffer later. Most Australians do the opposite. They maximize lifestyle now and suffer in retirement. Don't be most Australians. Step 3. Fix your mindset, because this is where most people fail. Epictetus said, "Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants." Translation, you don't need to earn 200 grand a year to build wealth. You just need to stop wanting everything you see. The average Australian household spends $1,400 a month on discretionary stuff. Dining out, subscriptions, entertainment, impulse buys. That's nearly $17,000 a year on things that don't matter 6 months later. If you redirected even half of that into investments, you'd be building $60,000 every 5 years just from cutting unnecessary spending. Here's the reframe. Every dollar you spend today is a dollar that could have been $10 in retirement. That $80 dinner, that's $800 you won't have at 60. That spontaneous weekend trip for $500, that's $5,000 in lost retirement wealth. I'm not saying never spend money. I'm saying spend intentionally. Ask yourself, does this bring me genuine joy or am I just filling a void? Because most spending is the latter. Marcus Aurelius ran an empire and still wrote, "Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking." He's right. Our Australians in their 30s think they need the new car, the Bali holiday, the renovated apartment. But the happiest people aren't the ones with the most stuff. They're the ones with the most freedom. And freedom comes from having money working for you, not you working for money. Here's your exact action plan. Do these 3 things this week, not next month. This week. 1. Log into your super. Switch to high growth. Check your fees. Set up a 3 to 5% salary sacrifice if you're not doing it already. This takes 15 minutes and could add $300,000 to your retirement. 2. Open a brokerage account. Set up a $300 to $500 monthly auto investment into VS and VGS. Automate it so you never have to think about it. This is the single most important wealth-building habit you can create in your 30s. 3. Cancel everything you don't use. Subscriptions, memberships, recurring charges. Redirect that money into your investment account. Most people find $60 to $100 a month in forgotten subscriptions. That's $700 to $1,200 a year that should be compounding. That's it. 3 actions. Simple, boring, effective. You don't need to become a stock picker. You don't need to start a business. You don't need to get lucky with crypto. You just need to start. Now, because 30 with nothing saved is fixable. 40 with nothing saved is harder. 50 with nothing saved? That's when panic sets in. The Stoics believed in acting within your control. You can't change the past. You can't get back the years you didn't invest. But you can control what you do today. And what you do today compounds into your future. If this video gave you a clear plan, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We post daily Stoic wisdom and financial clarity for Australians who are ready to build something real. Leave a comment and tell me, What's one thing you're going to do this week to start catching up? Let's keep each other accountable. Legends, I'm Aussie Wisdom Daily. Thanks for your time. Mate, I'll see you in the next one. No worries.